Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. It is cocktail time with Jamie. Hope everybody's having a great Friday and you are ready for the weekend. Give everybody a minute here to join in a moment, and hopefully my notification will go out. Sometimes it goes out right at 4, sometimes it goes out a little bit later, and hopefully you are watching me live. So hope everybody had a great week. It is Friday, December 3rd, and tonight is a big night for us here at Roma Time. Albie is back playing. We haven't had live music inside since March, and so we have music inside tonight. Albie is back from 7 to 10 tonight. It is going to be a super busy night, so please call and make reservations. I cannot guarantee a seat. If you do not call and make reservations, it is going to be quite busy. So Albie is here from 7 to 10. Please call, make reservations, 647-3000. And let's see what else. So big night for us here at Roma Time. We also have our $9.99 special this week to go. It's a takeout special. It is meatloaf with let's see, with coleslaw and mashed potatoes. That is to go. Our regular menu is available as well, so you can get our regular menu to go as well. And let's see what else is going on here. Monday the 13th, we have a wine dinner. It is 4 wines in a dish for $29. That's December 13th. We are gearing up for our Christmas Day soup kitchen. That will be on Christmas Day, so if anybody is willing to volunteer before Christmas, we always need volunteers to help us. Please send us an email or call and speak to Jamie or Marcus. Leave a message if we're not here, and we'll get back to you. We'll be coordinating and starting to do all of that very shortly. That is December 25th. We are open on Christmas Eve. We'll be opening at 4 o'clock, so our kitchen will be open from 4 to 10 on Christmas Eve. And New Year's Eve will be opening at 4, and our last seating will be at 7:30. We're also talking about doing takeout boxes, and you can always get takeout for dinner on New Year's Eve as well. That is always available. So those are some of the housekeeping things, and now on to my drink. I'm going to be making a pumpkin eggnog. Yesterday I made the purple cow, right? Is that what it's called?
Yes.
The purple cow. So it was using eggnog and black currant liqueur and a maple cacao from Cooper's Daughter. Today we're going to be using Cooper's Daughter pumpkin spice from Old York Farms in Claverack, New York. And we're going to be using Ronnie Brooks eggnog. This is awesome and delicious. It is New York. So this is, again, an all New York drink. So let me grab some ice and my shaker. And I am going to add about 2 ounces of the pumpkin spice from Cooper's Daughter. A drop of agave, just a drop, doesn't need a lot. And then about 2 ounces of the eggnog, maybe 3 ounces of eggnog. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shake that on up. And I'm going to pour into my glass. Did you bring the glass for it? Oh, no. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pour it in. And there you have it. Pumpkin spice eggnog. So let's go ahead and taste it. That's yummy. You can also use almond milk if you don't want to use eggnog. You can use almond milk. Put a little cinnamon, nutmeg in there, shake it on up. That will be good as well. But this is really nice. It's got a lot of clove. It's a thick drink. I think it's more like an after-dinner drink, but it is delicious. And hopefully you can make something like that at home. Let's see. Thanks everybody for joining me. Hello Terry. Hello Matthew. Hello William. Hello Joseph. If you are watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you are watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I'd love to see where you're watching from, so drop a comment for me, give me a thumbs up so I know you're here. Again, our $9.99 takeout special is meatloaf this week. And let's see, Albie is playing here tonight from 7 to 10. And hope everybody is having a good start to the holiday season and everybody is safe and well. Get outside this weekend. It's supposed to be warmer than usual, so take advantage and get outside. And we will see everybody shortly here at Aroma Time. Cheers and have a great weekend.